Hi, my name is Leah, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about animal testing for cosmetic purposes. Cosmetic testing on animals is a type of animal testing used to test the safety and hypoallergenic properties of products for human use. The FDA supports and adheres to the laws, regulations, and policies governing animal testing, including the Animal Welfare Act. The Animal Welfare Act was signed into law in 1966, and it is the only federal law in the United States that regulates the treatment of these animals in research, exhibition, transport, and by dealers. Simple household items such as lotions, shampoos, and makeup are within everyday reach to the public, and yet most are unaware of the horrors that these innocent animals face during the manufacturing of these products. Animal testing has become a routine process in the cosmetic industry over the last decade. Not only is this practice inhumane, but it is also thought by many researchers and scientists to be ineffective. Moreover, animal testing for cosmetic costs Americans billions and billions of dollars every single year. While testing on animals has been used for hundreds of years for scientific and medical reasons, only in the last decade or so has it been used for cosmetic purposes. These tests are conducted on a variety of animals, including rats, monkeys, rabbits, kittens, dogs, and are used to determine whether or not a product is safe for human consumption. Two of the more common tests are skin and eye irritation tests, where the animal, often a rabbit, is put into stocks and has its eyelids clipped so that it cannot blink, or it has its stomach shaved. Toxic chemicals are then poured and smeared into the eye or bare skin and left for days or weeks, being monitored at regular intervals by scientists to see how the toxins affect the skin. No anesthetics are used during this process, meaning that the animal must suffer through the pain until it is killed by the chemicals or put down. Every year, an estimated 70 million animals are maimed or killed for cosmetic testing in the U.S. alone, and nearly 12 billion taxpayer dollars are spent yearly on this practice. Even if one were to disregard the obvious cruelty and expensiveness of this testing, it is impossible to ignore the fact that it very well might be unreliable. When asked in an online interview, a PETA spokesman was quoted saying, "Animals differ from humans significantly, making animal, drug, and cosmetic testing unreliable and dangerous. New research methods such as computer models, cell cultures, and human studies are accurate, less expensive, and much more humane." In 2009, the EU passed a law ban on animal testing for cosmetic purposes in many countries. The EU is alone in this venture. However, the leading animal testing nations, which include the United States, Canada, Brazil, and China, all continue to test on animals. Animals should not be made to suffer so that humans may look better. This practice of animal testing is cruel, inhumane, and barbaric. To stop this tragedy, people should avoid buying products made by companies that use testing such as Dove, Maybelline, CoverGirl, and L'Oreal, just to name a few. You too can have your voice heard. Check the back of your products for these logos to start our journey to a cruelty-free world, or log on to becrueltyfree.ba to take action.